Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 12th, 2024, and we have a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. MicroStrategy has made headlines once again with its aggressive Bitcoin acquisition strategy. The company raised approximately $2.03 billion through capital markets to purchase around 27,200 BTC between October 31st and November 10th, 2024. This brings their total holdings to an impressive 279,420 Bitcoins, acquired at an average price of $42,692 per Bitcoin, totaling around 11.9 billion. MicroStrategy utilized proceeds from share sales under agreements established in August and October 2024. Despite this massive investment, the company emphasizes that its BTC yield, a measure of the percentage change in Bitcoin holdings relative to diluted shares, is not a traditional financial metric and should not be seen as a direct indicator of shareholder returns. In the realm of AI and blockchain integration, OMO has launched a multi-agent orchestration layer designed to enhance the synergy between artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. This platform allows users to create and manage networks of specialized on-chain agents, addressing challenges like poor user experience and security vulnerabilities. OMO's platform simplifies agent creation through natural language, making it accessible to non-technical users. By operating directly on-chain, it enhances security and transparency, providing a unified infrastructure for the CryptoX AI ecosystem. OMO envisions AI agents as the next layer of user experience, potentially replacing traditional websites and dApps. Avara has introduced a new non-custodial crypto wallet called Family, catering to both beginners and seasoned users. Available on iOS, Family offers full control over assets and private keys, with features like Pocket for easy wallet setup and manual backup options. The wallet supports rich media collectibles, an in-app browser for dApps, and functionalities like swaps and crypto purchases via Stripe. It also includes a unique messaging feature for sharing media and sending crypto. Family is optimized for speed and security, with audits by Zelic and encryption measures in place. Teng Yan discusses the transformative potential of AI in the crypto space, predicting that AI will drive crypto into mainstream applications. He highlights the emergence of numerous crypto AI startups and anticipates a future dominated by specialized AI agents. These agents could revolutionize user interactions and streamline processes, although they currently face challenges like scalability and communication protocols. Yan believes that as AI technology advances, these agents will become more viable, making crypto an integral part of the future AI landscape. Ethereum enthusiasts are eagerly anticipating Justin Drake's announcement at DevCon, where he will unveil a significant initiative regarding the Ethereum consensus layer. This project, a year in the making, aims to propose a credible strategy for the Beacon Chain's ambitious roadmap. Drake has worked closely with researchers and developers, emphasizing the importance of community participation in achieving consensus on this new approach. The announcement is expected to be a major milestone for Ethereum's development. Brantley Milligan has raised concerns about the ENS DAO working group's funding request, questioning the necessity of their substantial budget increase. He stresses the importance of accountability and efficient use of funds to foster ecosystem growth. Milligan also clarified the differences between sign-in with Ethereum and Connect Wallet, using Uniswap as an example to illustrate their distinct purposes. Additionally, he provided an update on Virgil Griffith's dire situation in solitary confinement, highlighting the challenges he faces due to COVID-19 restrictions. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and informative. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay informed and stay secure.